Everyone, how's it going? My name's Lou Warwick Jr. I'm a front-end developer and co-host of the Tech Junior podcast, so shout out to that. You can listen at techjr.dev. But today I want to talk to you about the advent of code. So what is that? If you've ever heard of an advent calendar, that's like maybe something you're used to taking a chocolate out of every day until Christmas. If we look up the definition, advent is something that is finally here. So something that you're waiting for or something that finally arrives. I always think of like Advent Children from Final Fantasy, but yeah, so Advent Calendar. But we are going to be talking about the advent of code, which you can go to at adventofcode.com. And I've already started it. But this video series is going to be a chronicle of my solution for all of these 25 challenges. So I'm going to try and do all of them in Python and possibly also in JavaScript. I am a JavaScript developer, so I think I can probably get it done in JavaScript, but I want to challenge myself and use Python to do all of the challenges. So looking at the first one, this whole thing follows like a story where you're helping out Santa Claus, which is kind of funny. And the goal is to earn 50 stars, which they talk about here. So for this challenge, there's like a two-parter and you get 1 star for each part. And I've got both of those for the first day. Let's see if I actually get all 50. So most of these challenges are like little puzzles where you have to figure out some algorithm or something like that. Very similar to maybe something you might see on HackerRank. So I think it's good practice, and I think it'll help me learn Python, which has been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. As you can see from some of the stuff that I've been Googling, like I've already had to learn a lot of stuff and brush up on a lot of things just in doing this first challenge, which was pretty fun. So if that sounds good to you, keep following this, like, subscribe, whatever, and bookmark it, and check back with me every day to see how I'm doing and check out how to do all this stuff in Python and maybe also JavaScript. All right, see ya. Bye.